Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing really well. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some more manifestation success stories. But before I do, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel I talk about all things self-development, so if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. So you guys absolutely love these videos, and if you want to watch the entire playlist, I've done a bunch of videos of this already, and I want to say thank you so much for giving me so much love on all of these videos. If you want to watch more, if you've missed out, they will be in the card up above as a playlist. Number one, I instantly manifested going to Japan Fest. Now I'm going to explain what all of that is, but first of all, when this happened, I actually got so scared because it was literally within a couple of seconds, and like, the power that I have is absolutely insane. All right, let me start. Japan Fest is basically a quarterly thing. It's literally an amazing event that happens in Manhattan. There's so many cute food stores where you can go that has a lot of Japanese businesses, Japanese restaurants, literally like Uncle Tetsu's cheesecake, and a lot of really big Japanese brands that are here in Manhattan. They basically have food stalls. I was invited to one and I had the best time. I got so much Uncle Tetsu's cheesecake. I'm always talking about how much I love Japanese food. So I literally said, wouldn't it be so nice to get a message from Japan Fest again? And I did imagine myself getting free food and going to the stalls and just having so much fun. I'm not lying to you. I'm literally tearing up because I'm scared. In a couple of minutes, I got a message from Japan Fest, and they were like, hey, we have another event. It's not food related, it's actually our Amazon storefront, and there's gonna be so many like stalls, and you can get all this free stuff and try all of our products out. And then also there's going to be 2 stalls with like ramen that you can help yourself to, and it's going to be this Sunday. Like, all you have to do is post this banner on your Instagram story and you're all good. When I tell you I screamed, I was like, I can literally manifest anything that I want. What the fuck am I doing here? What the fuck am I doing at manifesting Japan Fest? Like, you don't understand how powerful law of assumption is, and the fact that you can manifest anything. And I feel like sometimes our human brains can't fathom the fact that you can literally get anything you want instantly. I think our brains just, because that's such a huge concept, it's like in theory you understand it, but in practicality, it's so huge that sometimes it's like, is this a real thing? Like, I can actually manifest anything, and you can actually manifest anything instantly. And so I was crying, shitting, vomiting, screaming. I was so grateful and so happy. Unfortunately, I did not go today because I have so many opportunities lined up, and I'm not about to be grasping at different things. If I don't want to go today, I'm not going to go today. There are plenty of opportunities for me to pick and choose from, just like there are plenty of opportunities for you to pick and choose from as well. Number 2, I got free Olaplex treatment and a huge discount off my hair. This was insane. So generically, I always say I am constantly spoiled. I'm constantly spoiled. I manifest that every single day, and I have been seeing huge changes, like people opening the doors for me, people smiling on the streets, and people just going out of their way to be in general really nice to me. And so I always say this, right? So I went to get my hair done yesterday, and I was like, this is what I want. I showed them a photo. I had been wanting low lights, and then I was like, you know what, I kind of changed my mind and I want to go still like all blonde, right? And he drastically like slashed the price, and then he's like, you know what, I want to give you a free Olaplex treatment because your hair looks really damaged, number 1. Like, this has never happened to me. Like, Olaplex is so expensive, and I have always been getting Olaplex treatment at the hairdresser, and they never give it to you for free, which is like, it's insane. And then he's like, oh, I'm charging you actually for just like the roots, but I'm actually going to be doing everything. Don't tell anyone else. And I'm just like, this is amazing. I love that for me. I didn't get charged for Olaplex, and I also got this amazing beautiful hair for like just the root price. Listen guys, you don't know how your manifestations are going to come about. You need to be living life generally. Like, if there's something that you don't like, flip the conversation. If you're manifesting a couple of things, manifest them on a daily basis. Number 3 is a small one, but as you guys know, I absolutely love small manifestation stories. It just goes to show that you can literally manifest as big as a button, as small as a button, and as big as an elephant. It doesn't matter. It's all the same thing at the end of the day. Okay, so I'll show you this necklace. This necklace, okay, first of all, it is the constellation of Libra gang. Send me a white heart in the comments down below if you're a Libra. Libras are literally one of the best signs. I've never met an ugly Libra. Let's just say that. As you can see, you can barely see it because it's very, very dainty, so it's very easy to tangle, and it literally gets tangled so much. Before filming everything, I was like, oh, what should I be, putting on? And I really wanted to wear this. I have been seriously avoiding it because it takes so long to detangle. It tangles every single time. I'm literally not taking it off anymore. And so this is so silly, but I was like, what? The law of assumption chose me. Like, I know law of assumption for a reason. I can manifest literally anything I want, and it's literally up to us to remember. You can literally manifest instantly anything that you want. Whatever is going on in your day, if something unexpected happens, or if something happens that you didn't plan for and you're like, oh, I really want this, or I don't want this to happen, instantly just do what I did. So I literally just visualized myself really quickly and easily feeling really happy just doing this, detangling my necklace, and being like, oh, it was so easy to detangle my necklace. Guys, before that, when I tell you, it took me like 20 minutes to try to detangle it with like tweezers. And then as soon as I said that, literally, it just detangled. So don't be afraid to manifest the big things, and don't forget to manifest the small things too. You can literally manifest anything that you want. It's a huge big gag of it all, that you can literally manifest everything and anything. Use the present moment to your power. If you see something that you like, or that you see that you don't like, and it shows you that you want something instead that you do like, that is a good thing. It's good when you see bad things sometimes, because, I mean, not to say that it's better to have bad things for this sole purpose, but what I'm saying is, if you do happen to manifest something bad in your life, if there is a bad circumstance or situation, just say thank you, because now, number one, it shows me what is going on in my subconscious mind for me to manifest that out into the 3D. And number two, it shows me that, hey, I'm using the present moment to my advantage to manifest what it is that I do want by being here in the present moment, seeing exactly what it is that I don't like, switching it over to what it is that I do like. For example, if you can't afford a dress that you saw and you really, really love and you're dreaming about it, I'm using this present moment to show myself that my subconscious mind has manifested the fact that I cannot afford this dress. I actually can afford this dress, thank you very much. So I'm going to manifest myself buying this dress and having more than enough money to go around to buy this dress and then some. And use your present moment as an advantage to manifest whatever it is that you're liking. I hope that that makes sense. I hope that you loved this video. This is literally something that happened within a couple of days. Literally, the more that I do these videos, the more that I learn, like, it all adds up and overflows. And after like learning about this and hyping myself up, things just happen every single day, and I just put them on a list, and I'm just becoming more and more powerful at manifesting. And you can too, if you just keep practicing and ignoring all of the things that don't work out and focus on the things that do work out. Keep learning, keep going, have an open mind, and just have fun with it. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.